place where I can finally say that my apartment is fully furnished. Yes! Yes! I know. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am so excited about this video I have been waiting for months. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys what I've done with this place. So let me just stop talking and let's just get right into this video. So this is what you will see when you first walk into the front door. So what I have up here is another one of my paintings that I just did in school. I don't think I'll ever part with this just because, like, I don't know. It just has a special place in my heart. Then over here is where I have like my mail and yes, my masks area. One little extra piece I have in my little mail corner is just a cute little mirror that I put here just for like double checking, like before I walk in and out of the door. Just random stuff like that. And welcome to my bedroom. Section we can talk about in my room is the vanity portion. So I get questions about this portion a lot. Paintings I did myself, so you can't get them unless you find other versions of them online, I guess. And then I got this tabletop from Lowe's. These two drawers I got for like 40 bucks at Michael's. And then I got this mirror from Menards for like 20 bucks. Then I got this frame and these bulbs. The bulbs I got from Amazon and the frame from Walmart. Just spray painted this so it all match. And then, boom, here's my makeup vanity along with my cute little fur. It has its own rug, courtesy of my sister. Chair is from Marshall's. I believe my mom got it for me. Here's where I keep all my jewelry. Don't have much of it, obviously, but what I do have, I just keep here. So over here is my little art caddy and like miscellaneous. I almost said miscellaneous. That would have been catastrophic. So it's lavender, of course, to match the vibe of the room that I got going on. And I just keep my art supplies here, workout bands, little random things, stuff like that. I got this from Ross. This is my pride and joy. I love this thing. It's so cute. And I just keep like perfumes and nail polishes there. And this is my dresser. I opted for a longer, like taller dresser this time around than the wide ones just because I wanted to have space to be able to have a vanity and whatnot. So I just have my little M from volleyball. It's still one of my favorite things ever. Always keep that around. More candles, a frame that I still haven't put any pictures in yet, so that's fun. This is my diffuser, my little sign here that calls this room the babe cave because that's what this is. So. And then after that, I just keep my workout weights and all that stuff over here. And then this is where I spend the majority of my time. This is my...
That's not what you're supposed to say. This is where the magic happened.
I spend the majority of my day here. Like, I have a whole apartment, yeah, cute, whatever. I don't go anywhere but here. This is where I reside. I love this thing. Over here's my little nightstand area. I just have like a little to-do list. I have a little sign here that just tells me to slay the day. So then I just have a little jewelry caddy, candles, little antique clock, a little fan, miscellaneous drawer, no need to get into that. I keep a water bottle here all the time because I'm always drinking water. My bed right here, I got this, like my big purchases, I was moving during the pandemic, obviously. So like my big purchases I got from like Amazon, so this was from Amazon. And then that's the DIY from my last video, just a whole bunch of pillows. I'm a pillow hoe. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a pillow hoe. And then I just have a little sweet dream sign here, more paintings. And then over in this corner, off the side of my bed, I have my floor-length mirror. Another one of my paintings I did in school a couple years ago. Then I have a little storage thing right here because I have a problem. I like to keep a lot of things, so I have to find really cute, subtle ways of having storage everywhere. Yeah, if you saw what underneath this bed looked like right now. But let's not. This is my closet space. I'm not really gonna get into my closet space because it's not really that interesting, but I just have my purses and wigs displayed up top and then just clothes. Anyway, that's basically the gist of what my bedroom is. So let's go on to the next room. Okay, now that we're done with the bedroom, the next door, when you keep walking down my hallway, is the bathroom door. So I'm not gonna get too in depth with my bathroom, but I'm just gonna let you guys take a peek at what it looks like. So not really that interesting, but I kind of went for a floral gray kind of theme in here, keeping with the pink and purple, obviously. So those I also painted, and I just keep my skincare here and random stuff like that. So I kind of went for a darker theme in here than everything else because I dye my hair a lot and I do my makeup, and like I've had experience with white bathrooms and it just does not work for me. So I went darker to keep everything clean and cute. This is my kitchen, my tiny little kitchen area. There's not much to really go into here. I kind of went for a white and green. Am I colorblind? Like what? No. I definitely meant to say white and gray. So I went with all my appliances to be white except for like cute little things. By the way, I love my little mini waffle maker. I love it. Have I used it yet? Don't ask me because the answer is no. I don't care. I'm gonna use it. Don't worry about it. It just matches everything perfectly, so I had to get it. That's basically the kitchen. Like there's really not much. Paintings also done by yours truly. And then just like that, we are in the living room. This is the part you're definitely the most familiar with. You've probably seen this the most in my videos. I have a little sectional couch right here from Amazon. Then I just have this cute little USB lamp. Also from Amazon, by the way. Amazon is clutch, by the way, but whatever. This was given to me, and I have no use for this dish at all. I just bought it because my mom has the exact same one, and I'm obsessed with it. And then, of course, you guys know this from the DIY. Coffee table with some flowers, candle, Lady Boss sign, because we're Lady Bosses over here. Also more frames that I haven't put pictures in yet because I haven't found anybody worthy enough. I'm joking. I'm definitely joking. I'm eventually going to put pictures of like my mom, sister, friends, that kind of stuff. But I just have that over the TV, and then I just have my little entertainment center. I kept it pretty simple just because at the time I really wasn't worried about this. This is the one place I would completely redo. But honestly, since it's already here and done, I just leave it alone. I have my little diffuser, and then I have another storage bench right here just to keep my throw blankets in, stuff like that. I have over here right next to the TV. I didn't really know what I was gonna do with this space, so I just kind of put my little table here, step stool, and this is where I just keep my laptop. End of the tour. So I hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed showing you guys my little humble glam pad, as I like to call it. So if you have any questions about where I got anything, if I didn't mention it, just comment it down below and I'll let you know where I got it and all that fun stuff. And also, if you haven't subscribed to me, then what are you doing? It would be good for you, I promise. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Bye.